Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This song here, what I'm going to do is an old Bob Dylan song, old what they used to call protest song. But the reason I'm doing it is for my boy Steve Watts, my boy Steve Watts over in Kansas City. Steve told me recently he liked the rawness of my voice. I said, damn, son, you must be drinking because I know you're not drunk. And anyhow, we're going to try this old Dylan song. This is again for my boy Steve over in Kansas City. I guess he's a country bumpkin out there. Here we go. Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling young one? You know I've stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. And I've stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. And I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. And I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard now. It's a hard, it's a hard rain on the fall. What have you seen, my blue-eyed son? What did you see, my darling young one? Saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch of blood that kept on a-dripping. I saw a room full of men with their habits were of bleeding. I saw a white ladder with all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns, I saw sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. It's gonna fall now. What did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of the thunder, it roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 trumpets whose hands were ablazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listened. I heard one person starve. I heard many people laughing. I heard a song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard a sound of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard now. It's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. Thank you, Steve, there in Kansas City. Steve, I hope you enjoyed that one as much as I did.